morning, everyone. Good morning, my friends and family. Angela here. Today I'll be working on a 12 by 12 and I'm gonna be using a turquoise with some iridescent green right here, beautiful color, and my white, which is pro activating pro cells. And I'm just gonna pour it on the sides and in the middle, and then just spread it on the sides. And this is actually a wedding gift. My friend is getting married and her favorite color is turquoise. You guessed it. So let's go ahead and start, and I will talk to you at the end of the video once it's finished, and then I'll show you the final result. Enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and let's go. Grab your coffee as always, and let's get painting. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. the wet result, and I love it. I mean, I didn't know, I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. I wasn't even sure what I was really painting. I just wanted to get this color on the canvas and start painting. But I love the pearls. I love the way it turned out. I can see a dress, like if I turned it around, that looks like a dress. It's if you look in the bottom here, that's like a neck. And I also see a bunny, so I'm not sure. I mean, what do you guys think? It's just, I don't know. This is why these are called abstract art. So it can be whatever you however you see it, you name it. So yeah, that is it is beautiful, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the final result right now. Guys, I also went ahead and put a coat of resin on it, and it's beautiful. I mean, it is stunning. It just looks like there's a, you know, it's now in a glass frame basically, and it is so beautiful. What do you guys think about this painting? Please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Take care of yourself and your family, and see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.